Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by verifying prerequisites and then jump straight into action. Open your IDE, pull the target repo, and create a feature branch named out/initial so changes stay isolated. Install the automation tool and run the version check to ensure compatibility. This avoids subtle breakages later. Once done, configure minimal credentials and set a short test file to run the first pass. This first pass validates connectivity and basic behavior before you proceed to deeper automation steps. You now configure the core pipeline, define the input schema, templates, and linting rules so generated code meets standards. Connect those configs to a CI job that triggers on push. This enforces repeatable execution. Run a dry run locally to generate artifacts, and then inspect logs and diffs to catch formatting or semantic issues early. Make iterative tweaks to templates and rerun. This tight feedback loop reduces wasted cycles and clarifies why the tool produced specific outputs. To finish, merge your feature branch after code review and when automated tests pass. This ensures quality gates held. Deploy the artifacts or enable scheduled runs and monitor runtime behavior for regressions using metrics and alerts. If you encounter failures, first check logs and configuration mismatches. Those are the most common issues, then reproduce locally with the same environment variables. If problems persist, roll back to the last known good commit and iteratively reapply fixes while keeping clear commit boundaries.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.